According to the City and County of San Francisco MTA, in a previous year, there were 3,957 injuries resulting from non-fatal collisions, and only 3,021 reported collisions. Visit lawsuit.com today or call 877-259-2539 to get a free, no-obligation case evaluation. We'll have an attorney near you evaluate your case and answer questions free. Any number of injuries can result from an auto accident. If the devastating results of an auto wreck have left you or your loved one injured, you may be considering a personal injury attorney. At lawsuit.com, we're here to share information concerning consumer safety, to heighten public awareness, and guide you in the most important decision in your lawsuit. Who will you choose to represent you?